The next trading dome, built in 1578-1579, located in the north side of the Turkey Circle.